Hi and welcome to Dovra. My name is Johan Särefors. I'm one of the founders of this company and I would like to explain a little bit about the car.
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
This is a Mercedes Sprinter.
Yeah.
And though I bet you knew that already.
Yeah, it's a 4.1 ton car. Right now you can drive it for 3.7 ton. So you have 400 kilo of loading weight. Always 4x4. Always the big engine for Mercedes. The new automatic gearbox, 9-step. And we do everything close to Mercedes. One of the things we've done together with them is the integration of all the function. I will show you, like, you can do everything. Easy to supervise, easy to handle.
Yeah.
For example, we can do like the inverter on off, like the simple things. We do everything in an easy way of like seeing everything. The grey water, you don't actually have to go into that one. You can see the percentage, the level here.
Yes.
For example, we can do lighting. We can do customized settings, and each person can customize their own setting and save that. And to make that even easier, we have the 4 buttons down here. I'll show you a little bit. So you just push the button and you have your own settings.
All right, so mine could be the third one and...
Exactly.
Yeah, okay,
exactly.
great.
And when you leave the vehicle, you can just push this one and it's all lights off. It's not power off, because you still have all the charging points, but it's all lights off.
Yes.
And that is also the same screen will be integrated while you're driving.
Yeah.
No, it's not on, but you have the...
There's one up the front,
exactly the same one while driving.
Yeah. And you can see while you're driving, I don't know, how much water's in it or something like that.
And
if it's worth
you can
getting
change
some
the
more.
heating, or you can turn and on off the refrigerator, all of that, all the functions while you're driving. What do you have more? Yeah, for example, we are trying to do the best of the best in material choices. For example, we do the stainless steel countertop, and you know, all the levers, everything is aluminum. We don't do plastic. For example, the hinges for everything is aluminum. Everything is, you know, no plastic anywhere. We don't do the classic window plissé like we do instead of curtains, to make sure it can't be broken by the consumer.
Yeah. So this is your blackout.
Yeah, exactly. And,
yeah.
and mosquito net.
Yes.
Yeah. And it takes half a minute more time than doing the regular plissé, but it can't be broken.
Yes.
That's the function of it.
Yeah.
Another function is the sofa. When you're driving you have the 4-passenger car, like 1 driver and 3 passenger. And when you arrive at a camping spot, you can take this part away. And I'm going to sit here to show you. We can put this one here. And now when I'm sitting here, I don't know if you can see me, but I can sit much more comfortable like that.
Yes.
That's the only reason. It's a simple thing to make, you know, otherwise you sit quite straight in your back, but now you make it much more convenient for you to sit in the evening, chat with your friends.
Yeah.
That's one of the features.
I don't know why anybody else hadn't done that before.
That's a strange thing. We think it's obvious. It should be like this.
Yeah, it is rather. It's utterly obvious. I'd never thought of it, and I've been living in a van for 12.5 years.
Yeah.
But
so this is the same, because we are furniture guys in the background, and this is for us. Of course, it should be like this. It's the same height as you have at home in your sofa. This is the way you want to sit.
Yes.
Yeah. We can talk a little about it. It's a Swedish car. We do the full insulation. We do a lot of insulation. 80 millimeters in the walls, 40 millimeters in the flooring, and 50 millimeters in the roof. And in the floor, it's you have the floor heating. And we do the ALDE 3030 Plus, the new heater. So you have constantly hot water. We have 105 liters of fresh water.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where you come from, the heating is a very important subject.
It is very important, of course, and I would say, you know, we are one of the cars in this whole exhibition. We have the most insulation.
No, 80 is it really is a lot. I thought I built 50 into mine, and I thought that was a lot. Yeah. Well, I don't like the cold.
Yeah.
Well, too much of it anyway.
Just a little bit about the details. This is all made in aluminum and lightweight plywood. We don't do paper panels.
Yeah.
We just do solid plywood with lightweight, and everything is made in aluminum to keep all the heavy weight low in the car. So we don't do the pop-up roof tent.
Yeah.
You know, everything to keep the weight down low.
Yeah, I agree. Well, I mean, 4 people in a vehicle this size is a bit of an exaggeration.
It
anyway.
is. Of course. What more? Bed could be folded up.
Yeah.
It's not the thing which we can see our consumer does a lot, but it's possible to fold it like that. Most of our users have the bed always down, and they put the bicycles and everything on the outside of the car.
Yeah.
The feeling of this car is like it's more homey. You don't have your stuff in the van. It's more of like you keep it like it is, and you have all your things with you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Should we take a walk around the car?
Yeah, sure. So we've got 2 burners, we've got the fridge down there, we've got a toilet in there.
Yeah.
Toilet is yet to be, as the customer would wish.
Exactly.
Or the end user, I should say.
So now we have the rear doors. We do all of the engineering and drawings in-house, produced in Sweden, as everything else. On the inside of the rear doors, you have these panels, which are waterproof material. So if it's raining, it doesn't matter.
So the inside is waterproof.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, and everything is insulated. Everything within the door panels, everywhere, and this fabric as well is also like an insulation extra material. Yeah, and then we have the outdoor shower, like a little bit better quality. Most of the business do the small one. The quality is not on top, so we're trying to make it more of a better product.
Yeah. And here the gas.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Everyone should have these pull-out things.
Yeah, it's making it so much easier to exchange the tubes like this.
Good. And the average buyer is about my age or even older, and you don't want to start lifting things. Yeah.
And once again, we don't do the plastic. This is full aluminum. And you also have the light switch buttons down in the rear here as well.
Very good.
Walk around. On this side, you have the ladder for the rooftop, and on the rooftop you have 2 solar panels, 200 watts each. My colleague can show us how it works. Easy to climb, stable, and you can actually be standing on top of the solar panels.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
And all of these parts, what we call the rock slider, done on the bottom of the car, is made by us, engineered by us. This is when you're going a little bit off-road. If you hit like a rock or something, this will save your car a little bit.
Yeah.
And also use like a in-step, out-step of the car.
Yes. Yeah.
The spare wheel is always included. Everything actually on the car is included. We deliver everything on it. All the lighting, the roof racks. I will show you in the front. We have the worn winch. It's also included.
Yeah.
All of this, like other companies have like options. We have it like a standard.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of lighting on top of that.
Yeah. And how did you get the idea to do this vehicle? What's the story behind it?
The story is it's 2 guys. Actually, one is me, of course. Sitting in the same office talking about motorhomes, and our history is the furniture business, big scale production furniture business. And we felt like we started talking about motorhomes. Why are the motorhomes, so complicated? They have so many screens, so many functions you don't need, and sometimes the quality is not the best. And we sit down and say, okay, with all our knowledge, why don't we do something new on the market? It really stands out and something extra. We feel there's a lot of customers that wants a really, really good car. Not only the best price, of course, it's also really of course, we're trying to do the best price, but we're not trying to find the lowest price. We're trying to find the best car for it.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. You compete on quality,
but not on the product itself.
Yeah. Sorry, quality you compete and not on price. Yeah. Very nice. So now we'll have the question everybody asks first, but no, I didn't ask it. I asked it last.
Okay. And what is that?
Cost.
The cost. As this car is right now, with all the options, everything is included, it's 217,000 euro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And okay, super. Now, what about availability? This year is
in production and delivery, and will be delivered this in the end of this year for the customers already bought the car.
Yeah.
Next year is orders making now, the dealers now will be delivered from March and on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 6 month lead time, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Now, why don't I go around the other side and have a look at the solar panels on the
of
roof?
course. Yeah.
Okay.
Do that.
And so, all right, let's go up the ladder with one hand. Oops, sorry. Not very smooth filming. There you go. There is the stuff on the roof. Obviously, you wouldn't normally leave this on top of your solar panels, but it does make the point that the solar panels are quite tough from NDS, Italian company. Oh, and there's some sweets. I'll come round here a bit later to have a go at them. So, very nice vehicle, and I hope it does well for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
All right, all the best. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.